course, Kariobangi Sharks are losing to Asante Kotoko in the CAF Confederation Cup match that was played yesterday at the Baba Yara Stadium in Ghana. And in doing so, Kariobangi Sharks were eliminated from the CAF Confederation Cup. Now, still on football, but now let's get into the Kenya Premier League. Newcomers in the Kenya Premier League, KCB went all against Bandari, settling for a 1-1 draw, a match that was played at the Kenyatta Stadium in Machakos. Let's take a look at the highlights from that match.
Kutoka Singida United. Kwenda tena kupata nafasi nyingine bila Benson Amanda. Anaingia Benson Amanda, anatoa pasi finyo. Bao safi. Clinton Kisiafuki. Clinton Kisiafuki anamsha mashabiki wa KCB. Anaambia sisi ni wana Bandari.
Being a newly promoted team, we were playing against a very good side that finished second in the league last season. So it would be naive of us to think you can beat every other side in the league. And we had lost the first 2 games of the league. So I think it was very important to stabilize the ship, get 1 point on the deck, and probably you can plan from there next game against
Bandari is the only team that is going over 400 kilometers to play away matches, and we did well against Sofapaka. We put everything. I knew second half we are going to be tired, and that is exactly what it happened.
For us, we play well. To get 4 points away with 2 matches is not easy. And my goal before the game, I told my teammate I will score today, and then God assist me, and then today you see. Finally, I get the goal.
Of course, the reactions from that 1-1 draw match in the Kenya Premier League between Bandari and KCB, who are the newcomers to the league this season. Now, let's take a quick look at the other results from the matches that were played yesterday. Western Stima went on top of the log, of course, after getting a 2-1 win against Kakamega Homeboys. So currently, Western Stima tops the log. And then Ulinzi Stars got a 1-0 win against Mathare United. KCB, of course, the match that we've just highlighted, they are getting a 1-1 draw against Bandari FC. Now, FC Leopards settled for a 2-2 draw against Sofapaka, match that was played at the Kenyatta Stadium in Machakos. These were the only matches that were played in the Kenya Premier League yesterday. Of course, let's shift and take a look at the matches that will be played at 3 p.m. this afternoon in the Kenya Premier League. Now, Tusker FC, seeking their first win of the season, will be taking on another team that has also not won this season. That is Mount Kenya United, formerly Nakumat FC. The two sides will be clashing to see who gets their first win of the season this afternoon at 3 p.m. Vihiga United will be hoping to put behind their recent woes as they take on Sony Sugar. Remember, it's a side that over the past week went on strike after going for weeks without being paid by the county government. But the county has promised that by Monday they will have received their due, so they are taking on Sony Sugar. Zoo FC will be out against Chemelil Sugar. Those are the 3 fixtures in the Kenya Premier League this afternoon. Of course, we are keeping an eye on the 3 fixtures and we'll be bringing in the results in our subsequent bulletins. Now, moving away from the Kenya Premier League, let's get to the National Super League. A number of matches have been lined up this afternoon. Migori Youth take on Eldoret Youth. Green Commandos will be out battling Thika United. Nairobi City Stars host Kisumu All Stars. Ushuru take on a rejuvenated Wazito FC. Kangemi All Stars is out against Bidco United. We move on to the other fixtures, of course, in the National Super League. We have Kenya Police taking on Nairobi Stima, seeking to bounce back from their barren draw against Police in the midweek, and then we have Kibera Black Stars taking on Shabana. Then Fortune Sacco will be taking on Administration Police. Modern Coast battles Talanta FC, and then Coast Steamer takes on St. Joseph's Youth. Those are the NSL fixtures this afternoon. Of course, we're also keeping an eye on that. All the matches will be played at 3 p.m. Kenyan time. We'll be keeping an eye on that and get to see who comes out as the winner in what fixtures. Now, let's move away from the National Super League. Let's get to some hockey action. And Kenya Hockey Union women's champion, that is Telcom, regained, or rather reclaimed, the Africa hockey title from GRA, defeating Ghana's GRA 2-0 in a final that was played in Abuja, Nigeria. Of course, Telkom players are celebrating after beating Ghana's GRA in the final on a 2-0 scoreline and reclaiming the African championship title match that was played in Abuja, Nigeria. Now let's move away from hockey. Let's get into some boxing. Now, on 26th December, that is Boxing Day, while you will be unboxing the gifts that you've received, one Kenyan will be away in Ghana hoping to make his name. Who am I talking about? Michael Nyawade. He will be taking on Ashe from Ghana in a non-title fight, hoping to bring some glory to Kenya when you talk about boxing.
Michael, do you think you are well prepared for the fight against George?
Yeah, of course, prepare fight vizuri, physically, mentally. Kwa hii fight, conditional ya body yangu iko 100%, na nimekuwa on diet, na nimefanya flexibility ya kutosha, massage pia nimefanya ya kutosha. Almost 3 months nimekuwa nikiprepare kwa hii fight, na nimekuwa ni kama niko camp, manake nimekuwa na discipline sana kwa kurelax na kukuwa on diet. So naona hii fight nikicheza vizuri sana.
Will this be your first time participating in the lightweight division?
Yeah, hii ndio first time yangu ya kuparticipate katika lightweight division. Nimeona ni weight moja mzuri na mimi, manake na feel niko strong. Ni weight moja nimeona sina too much dehydration kwa body yangu. So ni weight nakula na nina train. So unapata dehydration ndio wanga ina cost mtu hata akiwa mzuri namna gani. Lakini ukiwa dehydrated, body yako haiwezi function vile inatakana.
What do you think of George as competition, considering he has been in the industry longer than you have?
Mimi sioni threat. Kwanza George alisema kwamba ye anapiga tumbo sana. So tumbo yangu iko prepared.
What does a win in Ghana mean for you as a boxer?
Kuwin huko ni jambo moja mzuri sana. First of all, unajua boxer ama fighter ama athlete akienda mali, wacha tu tumejua athlete akienda mali, kitu ile nafaa kwa kwanza kwa mind yake ni kuwa na win na kuwa kujiamini yeye ndio champion. Usipojiamini wewe ndio champion, saa zile umeenda kuparticipate, yuko mtu mwingine atachukua hiyo championship yako, maana yake wewe mwenyewe hujiamini. Once ukishaleta hiyo kitu into reality kwa mind, I'm the champion, na then huyo sasa ndio mtu angana